How was the food, Tiba?
It was good.
Once again, guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Now we are here at Pine Brook, Umbang River, and we are here for DTC camping. And here is the bus, and here is me. That's my thing. I'm carrying my bag at the back, and now we are heading directly to the dormitory. And that is Kongkong Sudar. This is me again. Guys, so once again, I would like to welcome you to this new vlog. And now we are heading to the dormitory, and then stay tuned. I will show you what are we doing in the DTC camping, and also look at the other. Say hi. Say hi. This is Sisana.
Yes.
And that is Sislaya.
This is me. Hey, where's me?
This
is me.
Now we are at Umbang River.
No, Pine Brook.
Umbang Pine Brook. Nice. That is.
You came early, Mo?
Yeah, I came early. This is Kongkong. And this is me again. Ada kamu nama? Enggak. Pas lah. Terus guys, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. This is Pine Brook. Pine Brook. I don't know. Pine Brook. Look. Over there is a Pine Brook Chapel. And I was about to entering the chapel hall. I just finished a haircut. Look at the team. All are arranging. I have to enter again, and I'm gonna choose my bed. Huh? Hello, brother. Say hi.
Subscribe. Your name is Early, right?
Yeah.
I thought it was
Hi.
late, but
Hello.
today.
Subscribe to the channel.
He's
Hello.
doing a vlog, so yeah.
All of my brothers said
Give
that
us some thumbs up.
I was late, but I won't be able to be late again and again.
You all sleep here. This
Yeah.
is mine.
Is that?
Yeah.
It's okay, right? If I sit down,
Nah.
it's okay.
Nah.
Just
Just sleeping, man. Just sleeping. Can sit
That's all,
everywhere.
guys. I will show you. I'll meet you at the
Later.
hall service. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. Now we are
here at Pine
here at Pine Brook. Look at the chapel over there. Then
my face, man.
look, this is brother Samuel,
Oh yeah.
and this is brother Yaikot,
Bon.
and brother
Medan.
Brother Medan. I just forgot his name, but sometimes it just pop out in my mind. And
Hello, yeah, Raplang.
Haplang from where?
From Nongstoin.
I am from ML11. It's Jaintia Hill. And
Hi. What to say?
where are you from?
I'm from Mairang.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How are you from?
I'm doing fine, and
I'm just kidding, guys. Listen, now we are heading to
place
what?
to the Pine Brook Center.
Yeah, we are heading
To
to the dormitory, and over there we'll take a towel.
Take a
Not
nap,
take a
man.
nap, bro. I was
I'll
about
take a nap.
to wash. Look, there are so many beds over there. Is there anyone of you who want to come in Pine Brook? Yes, you can just rent this place and then having Bible study or anything. I don't know what they're having here. Then for us, they used to have Bible study, and this is the bed that I chose. The place is so dark you can't see me. But let me just turn on the light. This is me. That is brother Yaikot. Where is your bed?
My bed is over there.
He chose the bed over there, and mine is over here. And that's all, guys. I don't have to say anything. And wait for the session. We were about to have session at 4, right?
Yes.
Yes,
We still
at
have 1 hour.
4 o'clock. Now I still have 1 hour. Then I was supposed to take bath, wash my hair because I just finished to haircut. Look. That was, guys. Stay tuned for the session. So that in the session that we used to do is like we'll have a Bible reading, and then we have to do quiet time. After quiet time, we have to analyze the scripture. What does the scripture say? And also, that is all. Thank you. Wait for the detail. Look, we are here at the conference hall. This is my joy. They are practicing action song. This is Dapi. Dapi, say hi.
Hi.
And I was already in the hall. This is the NIV Bible and notebook. That's all. I'm gonna move around and give you a tour. The around was beautiful. This is the Pine Brook Center. I'm just gonna show you, but it is raining. But anyway, this is the garden. Bell. Then best shit ever. And also, there's a seat over there. You can sit here whenever you came to Pine Brook, and also you can bring your family, your friend. And I was supposed to show you the downstairs, but it is raining, then I wouldn't be able to show you guys by now also, because the leaf protect me from the rain. It's like a good shot ever. In the forest, in the meat of the forest, Pine Brook is here. And look am I. Behind me is a big tree. I don't know what kind of tree. Then I have to move back to the Pine Brook Center. And oh, finally I met Ba Rocky. It's been like how many months? Like. And hello guys, this is Ba Rocky, and this is me. I just help him carry thing, and then say hi.
Hi.
Where is your face? Back. Then up. This is a beautiful basketball court over there. Look, nice basketball court. I just met Ba Rocky and I helped him carry his thing. Then backpack, I think laptop. Then I was waiting for him. How is my haircut? Is it good or not good? There. Barak is still fixing his car. Lock his car properly. Otherwise, still thief came and stole everything. Saving, but anyway, guys, I have to move to the center. Bye bye. I'm gonna show you when we are having session also. Bye bye. Guys, now we are having a group discussion. This is Laya from Hala Madrid, and this is me from Barcelona. We are hatering club but loved by God.
This is Aztec group.
Yeah, but we are represent an Aztec group, and I don't know these guys what they're doing here. Say hi, brother and sister.
Hi.
Deborah.
They are from Deborah group, which I'm gonna show you. Another group is here. Hello.
Hi.
What is the name of your group?
We are the group Paul.
Huh?
Group Paul.
Group Paul.
Yes.
And I'm from Esther Group.
Oh, like that one.
Say hi.
Hello.
Have you decide your signature post? I hope so the best. This is the camp coordinator, sis Amal. Oh, Pak Joy. Brother Jerry. What is the group name?
Peter.
Huh?
Peter.
They are Peter, but have faith like a mustard seed. And
So yeah.
what is the message that you convey to the brother who is and sister who is in this DTC camp?
In this DTC camp.
Yeah, what is the message you convey to them?
A small message. Like you said, have faith like a mustard seed, first and foremost. Second, let's cooperate together, all of us present here, so that we are able to.
And hello, sister. What is your name?
My name is Sean Beacon. You can call me Sean. And then yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur.
Manipur.
Yeah.
Then, what is a message that you dedicated to the youth?
Have faith and then spread it to the world. That's it.
Thank you. And that is all, guys. I love the group name hospital in Kriuk. Then I'm gonna show you the next episode. Bye. Bye. We have just finished the session. Now we are about to having dinner. Look over there, Hiba and Connor.
Hello.
How was the session?
It was good, but then at the same time I'm hungry.
And yeah.
She was just 17. I think I was 23. People started to talk, you know what I mean. You were out on
Look, guys, what kind of style is that?
Enjoying the food. So ano na ba?
Bang Jamam ba?
Stop.
This one guy, he broke my promise. He said that I will wash tomorrow. Yeah, make sure you will wash tomorrow. He promised to wash my plate tomorrow. How was the food, Hiba?
It was good,
Yeah, EU food is always good.
obviously.
Obviously.
That's why we never wasted only the bones.
Yeah, the bones also, if you can consume, you can bite. Wow. Welcome, guys. Me and bro, he is here. His name was like that, and we are about to end this vlog because we have so many things to do after that, and
Day 1 finish.
day one is finished today, and the food that we have is so tasty, and I just finished like 1.5 plate, I think, and the place is dark here. Even me also, you can see me as just dark as my future. And then what to say, guys, you can see me seriously. We are heading to the light so that you can see our face, and here we are. We're about to go to the dormitory.
The light is there now, so
And then now you can see our shining skin.
a beautiful skin
That is all.
of
Thank
my
you,
early.
and wait for day 2. Bye bye, good night, and
Stay
have
safe.
a great and also a sweet dream. Bye bye.
I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that